A very good evening, Zimbabweans. Natimba Mtota coming again. We always want to speak to you from time to time. There is going to be a massive recruitment of trainee security personnel. Those interested must contact the trainer through WhatsApp number +278 163 463 80. Let me repeat the number. +278 163 463 80. Qualifications for people who are going to be eligible for recruitment. Grade 7 to Form 6. Even those who are tempted to write are accepted. For grade 7, a pass with up to grade 6 per subject is required. Higher passes are an added advantage. Age limit, 18 years to 40 years. Only a stipend of about $250 per month offered during the period of training. Training to be done in Zambia for 6 months if admitted. Food and accommodation for successful candidates provided. Skills in the use of ammunition and handling of ammunition is an added advantage. Applications to be done, submitted through the WhatsApp number provided above. Even ex-convictees for armed robbery are accepted as long as they are cleared of all their armed robbery cases. There will be a thorough groundwork checks, or what we call background checks. Fellow Zimbabweans, ladies and gentlemen, understand the language. I say again, understand the language. This is a very important thing. Those interested, please use WhatsApp to submit your applications through the numbers given. We thank you, Zimbabwe. We hope you have understood what we want. We hope we are understanding the direction in which the wind is blowing. Safe to say, in the initial phase, about 3,000 people are required. Further developments will be notified to you. Those who want to be trained so that they can actually be fitted in various security companies in South Africa and other countries around us. We thank you, Zimbabwe. Nyatimba Mtota speaking to you. Comrade Wafa Wafa. We are going on. Aluta continua. I hope you understand. I want to repeat this. I hope you'll understand and also participate so that our children will have no alleviate the poverty that is around us. Please persuade your children. We want their muscles. They must be trained so that they can be able to protect property in the SADC region. We thank you.